Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This video addresses the Xbox issue encountered when trying to install or play games, specifically the error code 0X87E0000D, often seen with Sea of Thieves. Let's dive right into the resolution. Right-click on the Start menu, choose Run, type Services, MSC, and press Enter. Locate the gaming service, right-click, and select Properties. If the service status is stopped, click Start, and in Startup type, make it automatic. Repeat this process for Xbox Accessory Management, Live-O Manager, Game Save, and Live Networking services. If the previous steps don't resolve the issue, open PowerShell as an administrator, paste the provided command available in the video description, and press Enter. Wait for the command to finish, then paste and execute the second command. This will open the Microsoft Store. Click Install to reinstall the gaming service. If the problem persists, completely reinstall the Microsoft Store using the provided commands in PowerShell. After reinstalling, restart your PC, launch the Xbox app, and attempt to download or play the game. In case all methods fail, search for your game in the Xbox app, click Play, and if the game is downloaded, you should be able to play it. If not, and you encounter difficulties downloading, it might be an issue on the Xbox server end. Check their official Twitter handle for updates, as they indicate the problem will be resolved soon. If this video proves helpful, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more updates from my channel. Thanks for watching.